The hip 3-point circle. Lunge out to the outside of the body with the left leg, keeping your feet facing straight ahead, taking 75% of your weight through your left lunge leg. Take your right hip capsule through 8 big, smooth, slow circles. After you've completed 8 circles in this position, we then step your left leg forward to a 45-degree position, keeping your feet facing as straight ahead as you can. 75% of the weight through your lunge leg. We take your right straight leg through a series of 8 smooth, slow circles. After you've completed 8 circles in this position, we move the left leg again to an anterior position so that your feet are hip width apart, feet flat, facing straight ahead, taking 75% of the weight through your left bent lunge leg and eliciting the movement through the right hip capsule. After you've completed 8 circles in this third and final position, step back and repeat on the opposite leg. Lunge out to the right hand side, taking 75% of your weight through your right lunge leg, feet facing straight ahead, feet flat on the ground, taking your left hip through a large, slow and smooth circle. After you've completed 8 lateral hip circles, we step your right leg forward to a 45-degree position. And again, repeat 75% of the weight through your right lunge leg, working the left hip through a smooth, large range of motion in a circle pattern. After we've completed 8 circles in this position, we step our right leg forward so that our feet are hip width apart, feet as flat and as straight as you can manage, taking 75% of the weight through your front right leg and moving your left hip through a big, smooth, slow range of motion for 8 circles in this final position. Femoral nerve glide number 4. With your legs straight, reach down and grab your right foot, resting your head on your left arm. In this position, pull your leg so that your knee is behind your hip in an extended position. From here, we're going to gently and slowly roll that head back as far as you can, slowly and comfortably, for 6 repetitions, 4, 5, 6, before repeating on the opposite side. Roll so that your head is on your right arm, grab your left foot, pull that left leg back behind the body, roll that head over your shoulder. 2, keep that left knee pulled back behind your hip. Hip split and pump. Take your left foot to your left hand, push your pelvis down into the ground to stretch through the front of your right leg before driving up to stretch through the back of your left leg. Up and down, moving between the 2 positions with hips low, hips high. Up and down for 10 repetitions on your left hand side before stepping back and taking your right foot to your right hand, dropping your left leg nice and straight to as low to the ground as possible, pushing up into the air to stretch the hamstring on the right leg, and then moving into your hip pumps, hips down, hips up for 10 repetitions.